Hi, this is Dr. Graves with the CSUN Geography Department, and this is a video tutorial that will help you complete the pollution lab for either Geography 102 or perhaps Geography 105. You can see I've already logged on to the virtual software library at either vsl.csun.edu or perhaps, if it's working correctly, mycsunsoftware.edu. Once you've logged on successfully, you will see a list of folders. Select the ArcGIS one, either 10.3 or if you're using the other server 10.4, and select the ArcMap software, either 10.3 or 10.4. Click on Allow and Open or save the launch.ica file in order to activate the Citrix server or the Citrix software, which launches ArcMap. Once it's open, click on File, click on Open, and of course we're going to be looking on the computer, so click Computer and Geog Share, click Open or double click to open that, and in Geography 102, perhaps 105, you will find a folder. Double click on pollution and you're going to open pollution map. So click Open. When the file opens, take a look in the table of contents here. It includes the campus fishnet, which is a grid of 25 quadrats in which pollution samples have been taken. And then the fishnet labels are the quadrat numbers. You can turn on and off a map of campus buildings to help you orient yourself, also using the background image. So your task for this lab is to add the data that you collected using the particulate matter samplers along with your class. Your instructor will have added the data to this file, hopefully, by the time that you are to part 2 of this lab, which is what you're working on now. In order to add that data, which is a spreadsheet, you will click on the Add Data button, and you will navigate to this folder, the one that is the home folder, and in it you should be able to find your instructor, your day, and the day, a time of the week that you are in the class. So for this sample exercise, we'll assume that my instructor is Professor Gomez and I'm in class on Friday at 8 a.m. Once you have identified your class data, then click on it to highlight it and click on Add. A second Add Data window will appear, and click on Add Me and click Add, or simply double click to add the new data set. Once it's available, it will appear in the table of contents. You should right click on the word Add Me $, and a drop down menu will appear. Click on Display XY Data to open this dialog box. X field by default will show up as longitude, and the Y field will show up as the latitude. All you have to do is click OK. Click OK to the NAG window, and after a moment the new points will appear. Often when these points appear, the Add Me event layer, they're hard to see, so you might just click on them once and make it some more obnoxious form here, like the green squares. You should know, though, that we have to, this is only temporary, we have to export this event layer which is sort of a ghost layer. It can't really be analyzed. It's just the display of data. So right-click on the Add Me Events layer, and from the drop-down menu, go to Data and select Export Data.